Assalamualaikum, this is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you the detailed description of future perfect continuous tense. First of all, I tell you the introduction of future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is sometimes called future perfect progressive tense. It is a tense which describes an action that will continue up until a point in the future. Now the question arises how to make future perfect continuous tense. It is formed with subject plus shall have been or will have been plus present verb particle plus object plus time. With I and we use shall have been, and with you, they, he, she, it singular and plurals we use will have been. For period of time we use for, and for point of time we use since. I have already explained this thing in previous lectures that when the time is fixed we use since, and when the time is not fixed we use for. For example, when we mention the name of month, of day, of years, then we use since. For example, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or we say January, February, March, or we say 1997, 2000, 2015, then tonight, evening, yesterday, then we use since. And when we say 2 hours ago, 5 hours ago, or 2 days before, or we use for so many years, so many months, then we use for. When it is not fixed, then we use for. I give you the example of future perfect continuous tense. She will have been working in her office since 8 o'clock. In it, the time is fixed that she is working since 8 o'clock. That's why we use since. It is point of time. I shall have been studying for 2 hours. In it, the time is not fixed. We don't know which 2 hours of the whole day. That's why we use for. Now we move towards the use of future perfect continuous. Now I tell you the use of future perfect continuous tense. It is not used in mostly situation. Its use is very rare. It is not common. There is only one use of future perfect continuous. I tell you the example. The future perfect continuous tense is used which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in future. I tell you the example. By next March, she will have been living here for 4 years. And the other example is that I will have been teaching here for 2 years next March. I already told you that its use is not very common. This is not used in so many places, but very specific place. The lecture is over. We have discussed all types of 3 main tense: present, past and future. I hope every type of each tense will be clear in your mind. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.